Changing page titles and meta descriptions. To change page titles and meta descriptions, you go to the Content tab in the ECOMSILVER CMS admin up in the top left hand corner of the screen. You click on the Content tab. This will bring you to the home page of the website. Then click on the left hand side Pages tab here. Go to the page that you want to change the page title and meta description on. In this case, I'll change it on the home page. And then literally all you do is right click on the home page, and then this will give you the Edit Page Settings and SEO tab. Click on that and this will open up the Page Settings window. Now to change the page title, you literally go into the page title area here, and this is where you can put in keywords that will be picked up by the search engine and is also related to the page content. So if I go in here, and this is where you put the page title in, so just type in the page title that you want to use, and then to do the meta description. The meta description, this is something that is actually picked up by the search engines, and it actually displays a preview of the snippets for the page. It does not affect the search rankings, but it may encourage the user to click through to your website, and this is limited to 155 characters. So literally in here, this is where you type in your meta description, whatever that might be, and then you'll see that as you type in the description, the character countdown will show you how many characters remain that can be typed in. So that is literally it. So that's changing page titles and meta descriptions using the ECOMSILVER CMS admin. Click on Save, and that's all done. Thank you for watching.